Buying a car represents a significant investment, and making the wrong choice can haunt you for years. The good news is, you can get a car for under $5,000 that runs flawlessly and costs almost nothing to maintain. Backed by real-world data and expert reviews, these 17 cheap cars prove you don't need to spend big money to drive smart. Toyota Corolla, the taxi driver's choice. Starting at number 17, we have a car so reliable that taxi drivers and daily commuters swear by it. The Toyota Corolla has earned its reputation as practically immortal. While a brand new Corolla costs over $22,000, you can grab models from 2003 to 2008 for under $5,000. The value proposition here is exceptional. The 1.8-liter engine is engineered to last, easily pushing past 200,000 miles with just basic maintenance. Consumer Reports ranks these models among the most reliable cars ever manufactured. Maintenance costs are remarkably low at just $362 per year on average, significantly less than most sedans in its class. Fuel economy hits 30 miles per gallon combined, which means this car continues saving you money long after purchase. Some early models experienced minor oil consumption issues, but a quick fix keeps them running smoothly for years. Honda Civic, built to outlast everything. At number 16 sits the Honda Civic, a car that's practically engineered to outlast everything else on the road. The 2006 to 2011 models are known for exceptional reliability, strong resale value, and fuel efficiency, making them a top choice for budget-conscious buyers. While newer Civics cost over $25,000, you can still find these models under $5,000, and that represents a solid deal. The 1.8-liter engine in these Civics is built for longevity, with many owners easily crossing 200,000 miles without major issues. What sets this generation apart is its low maintenance frequency, averaging just 0.2 unscheduled shop visits per year, meaning fewer unexpected repairs. It ranks third out of 36 compact cars for reliability, with an average repair cost of $368 annually, cheaper than most competitors. Beyond its durability, this Civic delivers efficient performance, offering 36 miles per gallon on the highway, making it an excellent commuter car. Some models had engine block cracking issues, but Honda extended warranties to cover the problem, ensuring long-term dependability. Toyota Camry, the ultimate worry-free sedan. Number 15 brings us a car often called the ultimate worry-free sedan. The Toyota Camry delivers mid-size sedan practicality that just won't quit. A brand new Camry costs over $26,000. But you can easily find well-maintained models from the early 2000s under $5,000, and they're still going strong. Under the hood, Toyota's legendary 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine keeps things simple and rock-solid. It's timing chain-driven, meaning no expensive belt replacements, and with basic maintenance, it's common to see these pass 200,000 miles without major issues. Toyota didn't just focus on reliability, they made ownership dirt cheap. Parts like brake pads, fluids, and suspension components cost about the same as smaller compact cars, making this one of the most affordable mid-size sedans to maintain. RepairPal ranks it third out of 24 mid-size cars for reliability, and yearly maintenance averages just $388. Some models had minor oil seepage or oxygen sensor failures, but those are easy one-time fixes. Honda Accord, reliability meets engaging drive. The Honda Accord at number 14 is a mid-size sedan that blends rock-solid reliability with an engaging drive. The 2003 to 2007 models have held their value in the used car market for good reason. These cars just keep going. A brand new Accord today costs over $28,000, but you can still find these older models under $5,000, and they remain one of the best choices for budget-conscious buyers. The 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine is the smart pick. It's timing chain-driven, low maintenance, and capable of surpassing 250,000 miles with proper care. It's no surprise the Accord ranks first out of 24 mid-size cars for reliability on RepairPal, with annual repair costs of just $400, lower than most competitors. The interior build quality is also a step above the Camry, with a well-finished cabin that holds up over time. Some early V6 models had transmission issues, but the 4-cylinder versions remain one of the most trouble-free choices in this price range. Fuel economy sits at 23 miles per gallon city and 31 highway, making it an efficient daily driver. Toyota Avalon, Lexus, durability without the price. At number 13, we have a full-size sedan that delivers Lexus-level durability without the Lexus price tag. The Toyota Avalon from 2000 to 2005 can still be found under $5,000, offering an unbeatable mix of power, comfort, and reliability. While newer models push well past $40,000, these older generations represent exceptional value. Under the hood, the 3.0-liter V6 engine is one of Toyota's most bulletproof powertrains, often running 250,000 miles or more with routine maintenance. Unlike most large sedans, the Avalon keeps repair costs low, averaging $463 per year, ranking it 3rd out of 12 in its class for reliability. The 4-speed automatic transmission is smooth and known for long-term dependability. The Avalon's luxurious ride, massive interior space, and premium features make it feel more like a high-end sedan than a budget-friendly option. Some models had minor suspension wear or cracked dashboards, but these are cosmetic or easy fixes. Lexus ES 300/330, luxury that refuses to break. Number 12 brings us a luxury car that refuses to break down. The Lexus ES 300 and 330 from 2002 through 2006 deliver Lexus comfort with Toyota's legendary reliability, and you can still find them for under $5,000. Built on the same platform as the Camry, these models give you the Lexus experience for Toyota prices. Under the hood, you get a 3.0-liter or 3.3-liter V6 engine known to last well over 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. Repair costs are surprisingly low for a luxury car, just $468 per year, ranking it 4th out of 31 mid-size luxury cars for reliability. Because it shares parts with Toyota, repairs are far cheaper than any German luxury sedan from the same era. The ES is packed with premium features, including leather seats, a quiet cabin, and a smooth suspension. Some models had minor electrical issues or transmission hesitation, but these weren't widespread problems. Honda Fit, small car, big reliability. At number 11, we have a subcompact car that's shockingly practical and built to last. The Honda Fit from 2007 to 2013 has proven itself to be one of the most reliable budget-friendly hatchbacks. While most small cars compromise on durability, the Fit delivers both reliability and practicality, and you can still find them under $5,000. The 1.5-liter engine may be small, but it's built to go 200,000 miles or more with just basic maintenance. With a timing chain instead of a belt, there's one less expensive repair to worry about. Repair Pal gives it a 4.5 out of 5 reliability rating, ranking it 4th out of 21 subcompact cars, and annual repair costs sit at an impressively low $390. What makes the Fit truly stand out is its magic seat system, allowing multiple cargo configurations with up to 57.3 cubic feet of space, more than some SUVs. Some early models had ignition coil failures and power steering concerns, but fixes are simple and cheap. Scion XB, quirky design, Toyota dependability. Number 10 features a car that looks quirky but delivers Toyota-level dependability. The Scion XB from 2004 to 2006 is a hidden gem for budget buyers, combining Toyota reliability, ultra-low maintenance costs, and surprising practicality, all for under $5,000. While its boxy design might not appeal to everyone, the engineering underneath is solid. Under the hood, the 1.5-liter engine is virtually indestructible, borrowed from the Toyota Echo and Yaris platform. Owners regularly push these past 200,000 miles with ease. Annual repair costs average just $386, thanks to widely available Toyota parts that make maintenance cheap and hassle-free. Fuel efficiency is another win, delivering 31 miles per gallon combined, making it one of the most efficient subcompacts in its class. The XB is also shockingly spacious for a small car, offering a roomy cabin with high ceilings that comfortably fits adults in both rows. Some models had minor oil consumption or VVT solenoid issues, but these are cheap fixes. Pontiac Vibe, Toyota quality with a different badge. At number 9, we have a car that delivers Toyota reliability with a Pontiac badge. The 2003 to 2008 Pontiac Vibe is literally a Toyota Matrix in disguise, which means you're getting Corolla-level dependability, a fuel-efficient engine, and a surprisingly spacious hatchback, all for under $5,000. Under the hood, you get Toyota's legendary 1.8-liter engine, the same one found in the Corolla. Owners have reported these lasting well over 200,000 miles with minimal maintenance. Fuel efficiency is another win, with many owners claiming they hit 35 to 38 miles per gallon on the highway, making it one of the most practical budget cars available. The Vibe is also loaded with unexpected features, including an available 110-volt household outlet and optional all-wheel drive for extra traction. Some early 2003 models had transmission noise issues, but Toyota resolved them in later years. Mazda 3. Reliability meets driving. Fun number 8 proves you don't have to choose between reliability and fun. The Mazda 3 from 2004 to 2013 brings a little extra excitement without sacrificing dependability. While most compact cars in this price range focus purely on being practical and predictable, the Mazda 3 offers something more. Both the first and second generations of this compact have earned a solid reputation for long-lasting engines and low maintenance costs. You'll find these for well under $5,000, and they've got one of the highest reliability scores in their class. The 2.0-liter and 2.3-liter engines are known to easily hit 150,000 plus miles, and if you keep up with oil changes, they just keep going. Even the later 2010 to 2013 models improved rust protection, making them an even smarter buy. What really sets the Mazda 3 apart is its engaging driving experience. It corners sharply and feels quicker than most economy cars. Lincoln MKZ, affordable luxury. At number 7, we have a luxury sedan that proves you don't have to spend big to ride in style. The Lincoln MKZ from the early 2000s can still be found under $5,000 in great shape, offering leather seats, heated and cooled front seats, and a premium sound system that makes every drive feel first class. It's not just about comfort. The 3.5-liter V6 engine delivers 263 horsepower, making this Lincoln far from sluggish. It's quick off the line, hitting 60 miles per hour in under 7 seconds, and offers the option of all-wheel drive for extra grip in bad weather. Fuel efficiency isn't bad for a luxury sedan either, with up to 27 miles per gallon on the highway. Just make sure to check for any transmission delays or power steering leaks, as a few owners have reported those issues. Other than that, this is one of the best deals in the used luxury car market. Toyota RAV4, the SUV that won't quit. Number 6 brings us a Toyota SUV that just won't quit. The Toyota RAV4 from 2001 to 2005 offers Corolla-level reliability in a compact SUV package. You get Toyota's bulletproof engineering, a higher driving position, and available all-wheel drive, all while keeping maintenance costs low. Under the hood, you'll find either a 2.0-liter or 2.4-liter engine, both known for lasting 200,000 plus miles with regular oil changes. The automatic transmission issue on early models, specifically from 2001 to 2003, was fixed with a software update, so as long as it's been done, there's nothing major to worry about, just routine wear items like brakes and suspension over time. Fuel economy around 25 miles per gallon combined makes it one of the most efficient SUVs in this price range. It's also easy to maintain since many parts are shared with the Camry and Corolla. Honda CR-V, spacious and unstoppable. At number 5, we have a compact SUV that just keeps going. The Honda CR-V from the 2002 to 2006 generation is spacious, practical, and powered by a rock-solid 2.4-liter iVTEC engine. This thing can rack up 200,000 plus miles with minimal fuss. It's also one of the cheapest SUVs to maintain. with average repair costs under $410 per year, less than some sedans. Owners love how this CR-V just runs and runs. If you live in a snowy area, the available real-time four-wheel drive gives you extra grip when you need it. There is one thing to watch out for. The AC compressor in these models can fail, earning the nickname CR-V AC Black Death in forums. But if it's been replaced, or you're in a cooler climate, you're golden. This is a near-perfect mix of reliability, fuel efficiency, and SUV practicality under $5,000. Toyota Highlander, family-sized reliability. Number 4 features a mid-size SUV that's built to last. The Toyota Highlander offers the space and practicality of an SUV without the headaches of a truck-based gas guzzler. It's got Toyota's legendary reliability, a smooth V6, and enough room for the whole family. Plus, it's basically a Camry in disguise, meaning you get a ride that's far more comfortable than most rugged SUVs of its time. Early models from 2001 to 2007 have become incredibly affordable, often slipping under $5,000 while still having plenty of life left. Many of these Highlanders easily hit 200,000 plus miles with simple maintenance. The only real concern is that some V6 models had minor oil sludge issues, but that's only if previous owners neglected oil changes. Take care of it, and this SUV just won't quit. Toyota 4Runner, the indestructible SUV. At number 3, we have a rugged SUV that refuses to quit. The Toyota 4Runner can handle anything from city streets to mountain trails. Built like a truck, but refined enough for daily use. The third-generation 4Runner from 1996 to 2002 and early 4th-gen models from 2003 and 2004 are among the toughest vehicles Toyota has ever made. These things don't just last 200,000 miles. They keep going past 300,000 with ease. Unlike many SUVs in this price range, the 4Runner is still highly sought after, so finding one under $5,000 takes some digging. But when you do, it's worth every penny. Whether it's the bulletproof 3.4-liter V6 in the older models or the 4.0-liter V6 introduced in 2003, these engines have proven themselves over decades of off-road abuse and high-mileage reliability. The only thing to watch out for is frame rust. Some models were more prone to corrosion, so a careful inspection is essential. Subaru Forester, built for adventure. Number 2 features a car built for adventure that refuses to quit. The Subaru Forester from the late 2000s is still tackling rough roads with ease. Subaru's legendary all-wheel drive system makes it a beast in rain, snow, and dirt, while the 2.5-liter Boxer engine keeps things running strong well past 200,000 miles. Unlike other crossovers that only pretend to be rugged, this one was born for it. The high safety ratings, solid fuel economy at 22 miles per gallon combined, and a comfortable cabin make it an all-rounder that works for daily commutes and weekend getaways alike. Just be aware that older models had head gasket issues, so check if repairs have been done. Other than that, keep up with basic maintenance, and this Subaru will go the distance. Toyota Prius, the game changer. At number 1, we have a car that completely changed the game. The Toyota Prius from 2004 to 2009 not only revolutionized fuel economy, but also proved hybrids could be rock-solid reliable. There are Prius taxis with 600,000 miles still running on their original hybrid batteries, which is unheard of for most cars. For under $5,000, you can grab a Prius with around 150,000 to 180,000 miles. And that's barely middle age for these things. Owners routinely push them past 250,000 miles with minimal issues. The hybrid system takes the load off the engine and brakes, meaning less wear and fewer expensive repairs. And that 45 to 50 miles per gallon means you'll be saving on fuel every time you drive. Yes, the hybrid battery can wear out, but many last 15 plus years, and replacement costs have dropped significantly. The biggest surprise is that even at 200,000 plus miles, Consumer Reports found these still drive almost like new. If you want a car that sips fuel, lasts forever, and saves money, this is one of the smartest choices under $5,000.